guys, welcome back to my channel. I've had a ton of you guys ask me how I keep my house clean being a homeschooling mom of 4, what my routines and systems are. So that is what this video is going to be about. My routine, my system, what works for me. I do not follow anyone else's cleaning systems. This is just what I find works best for my house. But the first thing I do that helps me keep my house clean and tidy is have daily jobs that I keep up with every day. This includes making the beds, laundry, and keeping up with dishes after every meal. Another thing that helps me keep my house clean and in order is having my kids help out with household chores. Every day I give them a different assignment based on what the needs are for the house that day, and they all chip in and help. Today I was working on dusting, as you can see, so the kids were dusting and I was dusting as well. I usually choose one job to do each day that's outside of the norm of keeping up with the daily tasks, and today that job was dusting. Another thing that is a regular part of my cleaning system and routine is to constantly be cleaning out things we do not use, clothes that do not fit, and that helps me keep my house clean and in order. So today's video is actually sponsored by Mercari, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what Mercari is, but as you can see, I was working on cleaning out some unwanted clothes in my room and my daughter's room, and doing this really helps me keep my house free of clutter. Clutter from clothing, clutter from papers, clutter from toys. I am always cleaning things out. So here are some of the things I'm going to be listing on the Mercari app. I've got some Nike athletic wear because I just have too much. I have this Victoria's Secret sport workout capri and tank top. I have this Athleta jacket. I'm just really trying to pare down what I wear and what I don't wear. And then these are kind of a high-end exercise tight. They are Lululemon, but again, I just have too much and I'm trying to reduce my household clutter. So here is everything I'm going to be listing on the Mercari app. I encourage you guys to go through your closets, go through your kids' stuff, look for things that you haven't worn in a while, and if you're not using it, there really is no point in keeping it. So you guys can actually download the Mercari app for free with the link in my description box below. On the Mercari app, you can sell and buy almost anything. It is not hard at all. Selling is super fast and so easy, and you make a little bit of extra money for unused items or things that you're not wanting in your house anymore. You can buy, sell, and ship your items all from the convenience of your iPhone in a matter of seconds. There's no hassle of meeting up with anyone or the security issues that go along with selling things in garage sales or different things like that. All of your items ship with prepaid labels that Mercari will send to you. So I went ahead and pulled out these things from my closet. I will have the link to my closet on the Mercari app down below for you guys. If you want to check out what I've got listed for sale right now, you never know. Maybe my unwanted items will be your guys' treasure. Finally, the last thing I do to keep my house neat and clean while being a homeschooling mom who has her kids home all of the time is clean up messes as they happen. Every time I walk up my stairs, I take up items that have collected themselves there. If there's junk on the counter, I really try to clean it up as we go rather than let it compile and turn into a bigger job than it needs to be. I find that this really helps me keep my house clean and keep it a happy space for our family. I hope these cleaning tips have helped you guys see how I keep my house clean and in order. And don't forget, you can download the Mercari app for free right onto your phone and maybe get some of your cleaning and cleaning out done too. Thanks for watching.